Alright, so I'm going to show how to open up and disassemble this Dell Latitude 7480. So we're going to use a PH1 or JS1 screwdriver and just remove all the screws from the bottom. Alright, the screws you'll want to keep in order if they come out. It looks like they're staying in place. Alright. If this video helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel with others so that they can also learn how to upgrade and repair their devices. And if it helps you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little bit to my channel so that I can continue to do these videos for a living. These repairs are actually customer computers. Okay, so I don't own these computers. I work on thousands and thousands of computers. So if you actually go through my channel, you'll see I probably have a video for most models of computers now. But anyways, there we go, got all those screws. Then we're going to go from the back here and just lift this up, and the cover comes out actually pretty easily. So it is a little dusty, we're gonna have to clean that up. So this one looks to be pretty simple. There's it looks like a M.2 SATA SSD, though it doesn't say on here if it actually is SATA or not. But let's see here, SanDisk. Okay, it is a SATA. It says SATA 6.0 Gbps. So the SSD is really easy to remove. There's just one screw. Actually, let me zoom in here. But I'm doing the repair on this. The customer just needs their charge port replaced, so I kind of need to be quick with this. Alright, but I'll show these few simple things. So the SSD, kind of just pull it up at an angle after you remove the screw. Pops out like that. Put the replacement back in. Alright. Push that into place, let it back down, and put that screw in. Alright, there's 2 slots for RAM. Alright, to get out the RAM, you just pull these 2 tabs to the side, pops up like that, you can pull it out. And this is PC4 2400T. You can get any size of memory, as long as it's PC4 2400T, you should be okay. This is a 16 gig stick. So if you want, you can put another 16 gig stick. I believe that would be the maximum 32 gigs. I don't think they make any larger than 16 gigs. Alright, anyways, you got the wireless card here. If you want to see how to remove that, you can watch my other videos. You got the RTC CMOS BIOS battery here, this cable. You got the speaker connector here. You got this cable, which is for the LED. Sorry, the LED right here. So that plugs in right there. And you got the LCD LVDS connector here. If you're gonna remove this cable, make sure to disconnect the battery and then press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. Otherwise, you can risk damaging your computer. The battery connector's right here. To remove it, you just kind of pull it up. I'm gonna leave that in there though. Alright, and that's pretty much all there is in here. Let's go ahead and remove the charge port now. There's one screw here. Just remove that one screw. Alright, here you can see the screw comes out and this little metal cover comes out. And here we have the charge port. Should kind of just lift up here. So I'm just grabbing the cable here, sorry, and pulling it up just like that. To remove the connector, I usually try and grab on the white plastic part, and then you kind of just wiggle this as you kind of pull it out, just like this. And you can see it just walks out. Oh, this thing is actually burnt here, so I don't know if replacing the charge port itself will fix the problem. We'll find out. The pin looks okay, but yeah, I don't know. That's kind of, so the pin here looks okay, but the charge port here is burnt, so we'll find out. So you got the replacement here. As you can see, this one's not burnt. All right, oh, there we go. So we're just going to plug this connector back in. Just like this. I'm going to have to plug this in just to make sure it charges, of course. We'll get the charge port into this spot. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. Okay. Make sure the charger's going in all the way. This one, the cable, I think is slightly shorter, so it fits a little bit better. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this piece back on. Okay. Make sure that latches. It's having some trouble latching onto this metal piece here. So you want to make sure that this metal piece goes down and underneath this. There we go. Hopefully it will stay there. And then get that in place. While you're holding that down, get the screw. Okay. And then get that and tighten that down. Alright, now I'm going to plug this in and see if it stays. Okay, got a Dell charger over here. Going to get this, and we're just going to plug this cable in. Then you want to check here, and this light hopefully will stay on. Okay, it's good. So I think we should be okay. We're going to go ahead and just close this thing up. Oh, actually, I need to clean the dust out here first. So let me clean out the dust, and I will be back. Let me check one thing real quick, if the battery is going to show anything. So let's power it up, and we'll press the F2 key. So I'm just pressing F2. Oh, the screen's doing some weird stuff here. I actually hear some weird high-pitched whining sound. That's not good. But anyways, let's go to the battery information. Here it shows it's charging, so we got 4%. That's good, because before it wouldn't even do that. So there you go. Alright, so we're going to power it off. Again, it's weird because I hear a high-pitched whine. I don't know if this battery's bad or what. I do see some liquid residue here on the side, so I don't know. But anyways, I'll clean the dust out and we'll be back. We'll put the cover back on. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're back. Cleaned out some of the dust here. Alright, let's zoom out a bit. Now let's go ahead and put the cover back on. I'm going to leave it charging a bit. Excuse me. Okay, so to put this cover back on, you have to put the bottom side here in first, of course. Just like that, and then slowly lower it down. Alright, then we just take the screwdriver and go ahead and screw these things back in. So I'm going to twist it backwards just to make sure it goes in. And tighten this, but that's pretty much it. So again, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel with others. Alright, again, if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little bit to the channel. Every little bit helps and is greatly appreciated and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. I actually do these repairs for a living. This is my full-time job. So I do this actually 24 hours, 24/7. And yeah, but as I keep putting out videos, actually my business is slowly slowing down. So hopefully through YouTube and those contributions I can continue doing these. Alright, let's go ahead and finish putting back all these screws. Last one. Alright, and there we go. So I don't know what's going on with this. Like when it's charging with it off, it's okay, but once it's on, it starts making some high-pitched sound. So yeah, again, here you can see this one is like burnt and melted. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Let's drop this.